So guys, this one I need to show or you are clear? View selectors.
Please show.
Okay. So
Hmm.
Dev 12 right yesterday. Dev 12.
Yes, David from.
So if you look at this one, reports and analytics, browse catalog. Supplier invoices. Sorry. Supplier invoices BU report. No? So in the supplier invoices BU report, we were discussing about the. So we are going to create one. Select your choice. Select your choice. In the select your choice, we have to display two values: table data and graph. So how we can display that? Click on it. So what we will do? Go to the new view here. This is the menu, right? The new view, other views, view selectors. This is the new view, you know. Select this one. Other views, view selectors. Menu. Select this new view. Other views, view selectors. Click on view selectors. So this view selectors will come down here like that. So what you will do? You just go here. Go here. Okay. First add the view selector that will come down. Okay. What I have done, I have drag and drop the view selector to top here. First go to the menu, select here, view selectors. If I press the view selectors, it will come down. You need to drag and drop that view selectors to here. Sorry. View selectors here. Then what you will do here? Then click on update. Click on update. Now, if you look at the, sorry, I wanted to show you one more thing. So if you look at the views, we have a title, table, graph, and view selectors. 4 are there, right? Title, table, graph, and view selectors. So how many views you are seeing here? That many views you can see here. So I will tell you what is the purpose of this one. Now view selectors, select this, edit. So you write the name like select your choice. Select your choice. Select your choice. So now what you need to display? You need to display table and you need to display graph. Select your choice. In select your choice, how many values are there? Table and graph is there. In select your choice, table is there, graph is there. So if you just select the table, table will come here. If you just select the graph, graph will come like that. Table, graph. So that is the view selectors. But in the report, guys, in the report, title will be there. Again, table will be there. Graph will be there. View selector also will be there. In the report, title will be there, table will be there, graph will be there. In the view selectors, again, we are calling table and graph. Understand or not? Again, in the view selectors, we are calling table and graph. Table and graph. In the report, title is there, table is there, graph is there. In the view selector, table, graph. Again, these two we are calling here. So view selector, anyway, we are getting the table and graph. But still in the report, we need to display these two. In the report now, okay, let me show you the output. Save and done. In the report, you will see the title, view selectors you will see. Again, you will see the table. Again, you will see the graph. And view selectors, anyway, these two we are calling, right? This table and the graph, we are calling from the view selectors. Here, if I select the view selector, table will be called and graph also will be called. So then why do we have to display this one, table and graph? These two, anyway, we are calling from the view selectors, right? You understand, right? In the report, currently what is coming? Title is coming, table is coming, graph is coming, view selectors is coming. So now what you need to do? You have to remove the table and the graph from remove the table and graph from the report, not from the views. So from the views, no need to delete. So here you no need to delete. So where you need to delete? Remove the table, remove the graph. So this graph and table anyway we are calling from here. Okay. Understand, right? Graph and table here. Like. You understand that why we have removed that? Remove the table and graph from the report, not from the views. So this is what the view selectors is. Any question you can ask me. If you don't have any question, we will start this report. HCM report.
Hello.
Yeah.
Anji, can you please repeat it? Last.
Can we go to new report or clear?
Can you please repeat once the last point? Removing
Last
of table.
last thing.
Removing
Last
of
point.
table.
See in the report. In the report, all 4 are there, na? I have removed. I cannot show Java. Okay, because I have removed, right? So in the report, we have title is there, view selector is there, table is there, graph is there. But we don't require table and graph, right? So what I have done, there is a removal option will be there to remove the table
Just
and
remove.
graph. Just remove that. So anyway, this graph and table will come from views. Now if I select the
View
graph,
selector. Okay.
But if you remove from your table and graph, here also will not see.
Yeah.
So that is what my point.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the HCM model. We are going to create the 3 reports. So report 1, employee manager with assignment count. Employee manager with assignment count. Okay. So employee department with assignment count. Employee manager department with assignment count. So first we need to create the 3 reports. So if the data will not come, I will tell you what we need to do. First we are going to create the 3 reports. If the data not come, I will tell you what we need to do. For FSCM, what we have done, I already shown. On HCM model, if the data not come, what we need to do, I will tell you step by step. So the main important thing in this report is the assignment count, how we are going to create the hyperlinks. So how we are going to create the hyperlinks, employee manager with assignment count, employee department with assignment count, employee manager with assignment count, employee department with assignment count. So how to do that? Not alone. Go to the catalog, create analysis. First step is step one. Step one, find out the subject area name. Find out the subject area name. So what we will do? Click on analysis. So what I will do here? Use search here assignments. So what we will do here? Workforce management, worker assignment, real time. So whatever the assignments related came, right? So you have to go here and go here. Here for maybe 5 or 6 subject areas will come. So we need to search each and every column what client has given and search here and find out the subject area name. So I am taking the workforce management worker assignment real time. Click here. Workforce management worker assignment real time. Subject area name. Subject area name. Workforce management worker assignment. Workforce management worker assignment real time. Workforce management worker assignment real time. So what I will do here? First, what is the column name? BU name, right? First, what is the column name? So we are going to develop this report. Report 1. BU name, worker name. BU name. BU name, worker name.
Assignment number.
So name it is coming right here. name it is coming, change the label name, worker name, column properties, column format, custom heading. You can mention employee name, worker name, person name, anything okay. So mention as worker name, the BU name and worker name, and assignment person number, person number or worker number, both are same. Person number, manager name, country location, manager name. So manager information will be there in the manager folder. Manager information will be in the manager folder. Manager name. So change the manager name. Here name is there, na? In the manager folder, only name is there. Okay. So you change the name. Column properties, custom heading, manager name. Manager name. Location. The location. In the location. Location. Country location name and assignment column. Country location name and assignment count. So we have selected the columns from the subject area. Save this one. So you can save from here. Worker, manager, assignment report. Worker manager assignment report. Click on OK. Worker manager assignment report. Click on OK. Save the changes. Click on yes. Okay. So data come, right? So in case if the data not come, okay. In case if the data not come, the data not come. So 2 steps we need to follow. 2 steps. Step one, add the data role to the user. For this report, we need to add HR specialist view all. HR manager view all. HR analyst view all. These 3 roles we need to add. Step 1. So I think these 3 roles already there, that is the reason data coming. Okay. If the data not come, you need to do this step. Okay. The roles adding you know, right? Or do you want to show this step? Step 1. The roles
No, sir.
adding to the user no need, or do you want to show?
No need one.
Oh,
I mean, either of the role can sufficient, or we need to add
three
three
roles we
roles
need to add.
compulsory. Okay.
Three roles we need to add.
Either of the role not sufficient, right?
No, no.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So after that, second step 2. But don't worry, guys. This names 100% you will get from functional consultant in the company. We are the technical consultants. So role names you will get from the functional consultant. So that is their responsibility to give us. Okay, step 2, and still up. Okay, note after we add the data role. Surya Prakash, you are doing something, man. Surya Prakash,
Sorry,
you are
sorry.
doing some drawings. Let me remove this. There is an option called correct. Surya Prakash, what is happening?
I'm not doing anything.
Not you, Surya Prakash, I am talking about.
Okay, okay.
Step 2. After we add the data role, still data not come. We need to reset the data role. After we add the data role, still data not come in the report. Reset the data role. So where we will reset the data role, I will tell you. Okay. So after we add the about data roles, still data not come in the report, we need to reset the data role. How to reset the data role? Go to the setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance.
Manage data role.
Search.
Manage data role.
Manage data role. Manage data role security profiles. So what we will do, you will create the navigation. Setup and maintenance. Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage data role. Manage data role and security profiles. Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage data role and security profiles. Search the name as HR specialist view all. Search the name as HR specialist view all. Search the name as HR specialist view all. It's not coming. Okay, HR specialist view all here. HR specialist view all. Click on update. HR specialist view all. Click on update. Edit or update. The data not come I'm talking about. So what you will do, you no need to do any changes, guys, here. You don't need to do any changes here. Go next. You don't need to do any changes. Go next. 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 submit. Next, last. That's it. If the data not come, sometimes data will come, guys. Sometimes data will not come after adding the first step. So this step 2 is not mandatory, guys. Step 2 is not mandatory. Step 2 is required only if the data not come in the report. Last submit, that's it. Because why I'm telling this one is, so sometimes people are doing practice, we will not get the data in the report. So if we do this step 2, you will get the data. Last submit, that's it. That's it. So repeat the same steps for repeat the same steps for repeat the same steps for
Other two roles.
other two roles. HR manager or HR analyst. So this step 1, step 2 clear, or anything you want to show once again, I can show. If you don't have any doubts, then we will move on to this report. Huh?
Clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now, as usual, guys, first we need to remove the scrolling. As usual, first we need to remove the scrolling. How to remove the scrolling? Content pooling. Enter. An assignment count. Save the changes. If you want to change the title, you can change. So normally, whatever the report name we have given, right? So that report name will come in the title. So what you do, you uncheck this one. So normally what will happen is, whatever the report name we have given, right? So that report name will come as the title. So you uncheck this one. Okay. Assignment. Worker manager assignment report. Okay. So now what we will do, assignment count greater than 2 or greater than 2 records only we need to display. Okay, and manager name and manager name should not be a null. 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 Go to the manager name, column properties, not column properties, filter.
Filter.
Filter is not null. An assignment count filter greater than or equal to 2. Like this. So these two filter conditions you can add. Okay. First, remove the scrolling. Remove the scrolling. Remove the scrolling. Remove the scrolling. Remove the scrolling and add the filters. So what filters we have added is and add the filters. So what filters we added? Manager name should not be null. Assignment count. Assignment count. Assignment count greater than or equal to assignment wrong greater than or equal to 2. So this remove the scrolling we have done, add the filters and change the title name. Change the title name, remove the scrolling, add the filters. What filters we added? Manager name should
Why
not be
did
null. Assignment wrong
why
greater
did
than or
we
equal to.
added assignment count greater than 2 or equal to 2?
That is the client requirement, Surya.
Okay, client requirement. Okay.
That is the client requirement. My client is saying that assignment wrong greater than or equal to 2. So this filters everything you will get from the client. So whatever the requirements which I have worked in, so based on that only I am explaining here.
Okay, they gave this client gives these column names, right?
And filters also they will give. And this is validations or filters.
These are account validation. I mean, like validation rules, and these column names. Every column name should be given by client, and then we
Yeah.
search these column names in these subject areas, and we have to find out. It's on our own, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, we should memorize then these subject areas.
Yeah, it means you need to do a little research before we start the development. When they give the
Okay,
column names,
I,
right?
okay. I mean, like in these there are so many subject areas. I have searched so many subject areas in this instance. Is those are all are useful to us? I mean, like as a technical consultant, are those subject areas all are useful to us? I mean, like
No one
that's
will
my.
not remember all, right? There are
Uh,
maybe 100 plus if they're
I
right.
mean, like all are useful to us, right?
So that is based on the
At,
client requirements when the client will send.
at some point of time, everything will be useful. Every subject will area will be useful. I mean, like we may not know that we can use that subject area, so that we should know every subject area.
Something you're telling, I am not getting clarity what you're telling. But guys, the point is, guys, so no one will not know all the subject areas, but at least 8 or 10, if you remember, that is fine.
Ah,
Right.
okay. That's what I'm asking. Okay.
No one will not know all, right? So at least you should know
Okay.
something, 8 or 10, then that is fine, right?
That you will give that names, right? That 8 or 10.
Yeah, in our classes we are going to cover minimum 10 will cover, okay, in our classes.
Okay.
So that is enough
Um,
for the interviews also, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Amshi, one more doubt.
Yeah.
Do any documentation regarding each subject areas and available columns, either Oracle standard document? Do we have any?
You no need to go here. Here only you can see now why Oracle will give the document. See, if you look at this one, okay, and you will see the column. Because every 3 months, Oracle may add new columns, remove something, and you search in the Google also. Okay. OTBI subject areas. OTBI subject areas. Subject areas. Now if you look at this is Oracle documentation. Human reports subject area. Here, if you look at this one, you will get bunch.
Yeah,
But
each release
yeah.
different, maybe small modifications, right?
But my suggestion, guys, no need to go here. So directly, whichever the subject area you want, you directly press here. You will see the column, right? Why do we have to go to here? That is what I'm telling. If you go
Yeah.
human capital management subject areas, human resource not coming here. It is not opening. It is not opening for me. OTBA subject area documentation is there. I think Oracle documentation is the main way. What are the most commonly used this OTBA subject areas? OTBI for OTBI. So what roles required? See, if you look at this one, subject areas.
Yes.
So these two roles we added: application implementation and data security manager. Subject area list, I will share you document, guys. Now I am unable to find, but I will share you the list.
Okay, Vamshi. Yeah.
But when I get the requirement right, I never gone through Oracle documentation. So I used to search here only, and I created the report.
Okay.
Now what we okay. So now what we will do?
Can we create custom subject areas?
Yeah, we will see that also in our class.
Okay.
We'll see in our class. So now worker manager assignment report. First report is done. First report is done. Now what we will do, instead of creating the new report from starting, what we will do, report 2. There is a report 2. So instead of creating the new report from starting, I will use the save as. I will use the save as. Instead of creating the new report from starting, we will use the save as. So what it will do, save as, guys? Anyone can tell?
It will create the replica of existing process.
If it will create the new file. So okay, so it will create the new file in the catalog. Click on save as. Or do you want to show from starting onwards? Which one you prefer?
Save as.
So go to the save as. So what you will do, same report name you can mention as worker manager. So you will mention as worker department assignment report. Worker department assignment report, click on OK. Now if you see in the catalog, the worker manager is there, worker department is there. Worker manager is there, worker department is there. So now what I will do, click on edit. So the save as to change the report name. You just save as to change the right. Okay. So change the title name. Change the title name. Worker department assignment report. Change the title name. Done. And then change the title name. Worker department assignment report. Change the title name. And remove the manager name and add the department name. Remove the manager name. Change the title name. In report 2. Remove the manager name. Remove the manager name. And add the remove the manager name and add the department name. Remove the manager name and add the department name. Remove the manager name and the department name. Remove the manager name and add the department name. Department name. Mention. Department name. Save the changes. So remove the manager name and add the department name. Click on results. Understand or not?
Understand what?
Okay. So these two changes we have done, guys. After save as, change the title name in the report to remove the manager name and add the department name. And we need to do one more filter, guys. Filter manager name was there, no? So you remove this filter. And we need to add the department name filter. Department name should not be a null. Right. And one more thing. Remove the manager name filter and add the department name filter. Change the title name in the report to remove the manager name and add the department name. Remove the manager name filter and add the department name filter. So below change. We need to do after save as. So this is the report 2. Any question you can ask me, guys. Now what we will do, same thing, report 3. So report 3 also same we will do. Report 3. So we need to add the manager name and department name, both we need to do. So now what we will do, save as, save as, save as, save as. Force worker DPT manager, worker DPT manager assignment report, worker DPT manager assignment report. Click on OK. So now, so if you look at the catalog, now you will see the another report. Worker department manager assignment report. Click on edit. So just to change the title. Change the title first. Change the title. Change the title. First change the title. After save as, change the title of the report. Change the title of the report. Criteria. So add the manager name here. Add the manager name column. Add the manager name column. Add the manager name column. Add the manager name, department name we added already. Main. the manager name column. You keep here. And the manager name column. And the manager name column. And let the manager name. And the manager name, manager filter also. Add the manager filter also. Add the manager filter. Right. Add the manager name filter. Add the manager filter. No, not. Save the changes. So total 3 reports we have done, guys. So what is our requirement? Next requirement is, so this this department assignment report and worker manager assignment report, these 2 reports directly end user cannot access. Directly the end user cannot access. So in the third report, in the third report, in the third report, in the third report, third report, assignment count, we are going to create the hyperlink. So hyperlink, we are going to create that hyperlink contains how many values? 2 values will be there. Hyperlink contains 2 values. Employee department, worker department report and worker manager report. So if I press the worker department report, this report too will be called. If I press the worker manager report will be called. Worker manager report will be called. So like that, we need to implement the hyperlinks. So hyperlinks, we need to add the hyperlinks on assignment count column. Assignment count column. We need to add the hyperlinks on assignment count column. We need to add the hyperlinks on assignment count column. So hyperlinks, we can add hyperlinks. We have 2 ways to add. One is column level hyperlink. Second, data level hyperlink. Two ways to add. One is column level hyperlink and data level hyperlink. Okay, column level hyperlink and data level hyperlink. So what is the difference between the column level and data level? Column level means in the column only we can see the hyperlink. In the column only you can see the hyperlink. So for this column only we can see the hyperlink. Data means every record. For example, if you see this record, sorry, assignment count. So in assignment count, every record, here hyperlink will come, here hyperlink will come, here hyperlink will come. But column level means only top of the report, column heading only hyperlink will come. So if I start also, it will not complete today. Tomorrow I will continue with the hyperlink adding. Stopping for today, tomorrow I will continue.